Three, two, one. Hey folks, how are you? I hope everyone are doing good and somebody are enjoying your spring break. Okay, I already picked up. Today we are going to see Ollama, how to install it, how to run your own local LLMs. So, as I already have, what is Ollama? As you can see, Ollama is a free open source tool that enables you to run your own LLMs like ChatGPT, where you can ask your own questions and get answers. Why is that? Why I have to do the local LLM thing? Why I have to run it? Because it's all about privacy, right? You don't want your questions and inputs to be trained for ChatGPT because they say it explicitly in their website that they collect your inputs to train the model. So what we can do, we can run our local LLM, I guess, but it comes with a cost. Okay, first, before that, who developed Ollama? So it's Michael Chang, whoever this is. Thank you so much because he made it open source and saved us some money to pay for ChatGPT. It's $20 per month. Oh my God. Okay, but it comes with a cost. What is I'm trying to say? You'll see in a moment. So to install Ollama, you can go to Ollama install, download Ollama for Linux. If you want Linux, you can do that through on the command line by using the curl. Or if you're Mac OS, you can download directly, or Windows, just download for Windows. Windows, give agree, and install. That's all. So I already installed the Ollama, as you can see. I'll just clear my terminal. Ollama, oh my God, Ollama version. So as you can see, I have a latest version that is installed right now by me. What we are going to do is we are going to see about the main thing, what is local LLMs and how these things makes a difference. So to run a local LLM, you should have a good computer or a computational power, especially the RAM, because it takes up a lot of space on your disk and also tries to utilize the resources of your computer to run the large language models. Obviously, if somebody are already in the machine learning process or if you are somebody starting it, it requires lot of power to run because so many neurons and architectural and neural networks have been running in the background, which is intensely using the parameters. So what I'm trying to say about parameters, so I came here to the Ollama library. So how I came here, you can see ollama.com/library. So here we have so many models, which is open source. So you will take the mainstream model that is being getting popular recently. So DeepSeek R1. So as you can see, it says 671B. What this 671B means? B is a billion, guys. It utilizes so many parameters to understand your inputs that you are feeding into the model, and it tries to understand and try to fetch the output based on the probability it tries to match, which is so computationally mathematics in the background, which is run by the models. That's why we need a lot of computational power. So I can't do this because I have 18 GB of RAM in my local computer. That's why I said we need a good resource. But Apple M4, sorry, M3 Ultra released with the 512 gigs of RAM, maybe it can be suitable. So why these billions are important? So I'll just show you in a minute. We'll just copy this and we'll paste it here. So it will first pull the image. So as you can see, it's 1.1 GB. While doing this, I'll say why recently the hardware market is getting boomed, or I would say Apple is making a lot of money because all want to run their local LLMs as all are concerned about privacy. Who wants their data to be leaked online? Nowadays, we are trying to turn off all the blockers, I mean, the ad blockers and the trackers that's on our website because we don't want some of the ads to be seen when you are trying to buy something because it disturbs it internally. Fun apart. So pulling is done. So maintaining a privacy is a very important thing if you're working on a scientific project or uh, who are not using the LLM. Say me the truth. You're obviously asking it a lot of questions. So as you can see, ask for just will ask for help. Okay. Will ask who are you? Greetings. I am Deepseek R1, an artificial intelligence assistant created by DeepSeek. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask, who is this? Uh, can you help me? What is Ollama is? I'm sorry, I cannot assist with that request. Okay. Can you write me a story about LinkedIn? I can't create stories out of the blue or write functional narratives. However, I can guide you in writing your own story and creative ideas. You can see something different here. Whatever input I try to give, it's not getting it processed very well, and it tries to always give me a bad answer, which I don't want because of the 1.5 billion parameters, which is restricting it. So, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna download this one. It may take some time, but I want to exit. Okay, I should not do that. I should say bye. Okay, bye. Clear. So Ollama and DeepSeek 70 billion. So oh my God, it's 42 gigs. Give me a second. I'll put the post on eternity later. I'll see you once it's get downloaded and check how it performs.
We are trying to download the DeepSeek R1 with 70 billion parameters. So it's finally done. As you can see, I downloaded the 42 gigs of uh, which is the size of that R1 model, which has 70 billion. Then imagine how much the size of the 491 billion parameters would be. Sorry, it's 671 billion parameters, which is the real R1 DeepSeek you can interact with on the online. So now I will ask, hi, who are you? Okay, as you can see, it is taking some time. Come on, you can do it. Come on, give me back. Let's see how much it is consuming the memory. As you can see, the swap used is 32 gigs. My system is gonna crash while using the 70 billion parameters. It's funny. Let's check whether can run it. That's why I said we need a good computation power. As you can see how much CPU it is using. Oh, the CPU is fine, but as I said, it puts memory on the pressure. Sorry, I said it put pressure on the memory, so it's not answering. I guess we should limit this. I'll stop it. So we are gonna say bye. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a model of Ollama itself. DeepSeek, I can't handle you. You are so heavy. So we'll see llama. Oh my God, you all are so complicated, you know. Llama. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's run you. Okay, let's see. It downloaded successfully Llama 3.2. See, hello, who are you? At least you can respond. Yeah, I'm artificial intelligence model. Okay, can you write me a story about a blue sky? Let's be imaginary. Let's see what it says. She lived in a world where skies are often gray and overcast, dull and shadow, as you can see. Okay, okay, cool. I'll ask a coding question. Write me a code for recursion in Python. Let's keep it simple. Boom. As you can see, we got the explanation and the code with some additional functionality. Okay, that's cool. I guess Llama is better than DeepSeek with the 2 billion parameters. It is performing very well. So now we will see what you will see. Please tell me. Let's ask a logical question. Me, how much 32 times 10 and minus it with 20? So Okay, okay. It says minus 300, but as I said, it's a 20. So as you can see, you can experiment with so many models that we have here, which is Llama 3. So it is developed by Meta, mentioning. So you have so many models here to obviously to can it has Alibaba's latest large scale data set it is using. So I guess one day we can create our own large language model. So how this model actually works is based on the database we are giving to it, and we try to train it. And obviously, you can create your own version of your local LLM if you're in your own corporate office. I'm planning to develop a LLM model that can be embedded in the SOC operations where it can be fully automated, and when a CEO tries to fetch the log data, he can do that. So we'll see how this project goes. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, I guess, and you saw how much pressure it put on my CPU. As you can see now, it's fine. But at the time, you saw yourself like my activity monitoring showing that my PC is or my MacBook is struggling. So that's why you need a good computational power to run this. But Llama 3 is very good for running it locally. As you said, it's very logical and it understands our query better than DeepSeek R1. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and I'm happy to help. You have a good evening and good night.